Greetings, individuals seeking to enhance their Wi-Fi connectivity. Are you eager to optimize your Wi-Fi speed by transitioning to the swifter 5 GHz network on either Windows 11 or Windows 10? Let's delve into a comprehensive tutorial to guide you through the process. To commence, initial assurance is required that your router supports a 5 GHz network. Most contemporary routers do, but a prudent double-check is recommended. Subsequently, right-click on the Wi-Fi icon situated in your taskbar and navigate to Open Network and Internet Settings. Within the Settings window, locate and click on Wi-Fi on the left-hand side. Proceeding further, under the category of Related Settings, opt for Change Adapter Options. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Within the ensuing Properties window, navigate to the Advanced tab. Identify an option titled Preferred Band or Wireless Mode and select 5G or 802.11 AC from the drop-down menu. Congratulations! You have effectively transitioned your wireless network adapter to the expedited 5 GHz network. For those encountering challenges, a troubleshooting tip is offered. If the 5 GHz option is not visible, it could be attributable to hardware limitations. Ensure that your device's Wi-Fi adapter supports the 5 GHz band. In the absence of compatibility, contemplating an upgrade for your adapter may be necessary to unlock faster speeds. In conclusion, this tutorial serves as a swift and straightforward guide to facilitate the switch to a 5G wireless network adapter on Windows 11 or 10. Revel in the ensuing speed boost. Should you find this tutorial beneficial, express your approval by hitting the like button and consider subscribing for more enlightening tech guides.